Good morning students. Today we are going to see about grammar junctions. Okay. So we have seen the poem, right? Sing a max rhyme. We are going to see about the grammar topic. Okay. I have written the lines from the poem. Add some in, take some away, do some max every day. So now see the word, I have underlined some of the words. What are the words? Add, take, do. So what is this? These words are the verbs. Okay. Add, take, do are the verbs. Okay. What is a verb? Verb means an action doing. ஏதாவது ஒரு செயலை செய்யறது தான் வந்து என்னது verbன்னு வந்து சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே, ட்ரிங்கிங், வாக்கிங், டாக்கிங் இதெல்லாம் வந்து என்னது ஒரு செயல் மாதிரி செய்யக்கூடிய ஒரு செயலை செய்யக்கூடியது அப்படின்னா அதான் வந்து என்னது verb. ஓகே, ஸோ ஆட் அண்ணா ஆட் பண்ணுறது. ஓகே, டேக்னா எடுக்கிறது. ஓகே, டூ ஏதாவது ஒன்று பண்ணுறது. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் ஒரு செயலை செய்யக்கூடியது தானே. ஸோ தட்ஸ் நோன் அஸ் அ verb. Okay, so in a verb have to remember two important points. That is these points are very important. These 2 points you have to keep it in mind. It is a basic one. Okay students, you can write down this in your notebook. Okay, it's very important. Okay, it's a basic one, so listen carefully. So add, take, do are the verbs. Okay, so we add yes, that is a hyphen. Yes means, so before that you can add any one of the verb. Okay, so yes or, so here any verb can be there. So es. Okay, so we add yes or es to the verbs. Say okay, we add yes சேர்க்கலாம், es வந்து சேர்க்கலாம், எது கூட verb கூட நம்ம சேர்க்கலாம். Okay, to the verbs in the present tense. Present tenseல நம்ம yes அல்லது es வந்து சேர்க்கலாம். verb ஓட yes அல்லது es வந்து சேர்க்கலாம். இப்போ verb வந்து present tenseல இருக்கும்போது when we use them with he, she, it or a singular noun. Okay, so when it is a he, she, it or a singular noun, you have to write the verb as yes சேர்க்கலாம் அல்லது es வந்து சேர்க்கலாம். Okay students, have you clear with this points? So if the subject is, subjectனா வந்து என்னது முதல்ல வந்து இருக்கும். Okay, ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ்ல முதல்ல இருக்கதா வந்து என்னது subject. Okay, if the subject is he, she, it or a singular noun, for that you have to add verb ஓட நம்ம என்ன சேர்க்கணும், yes சேர்க்கணும் அல்லது es வந்து சேர்க்கணும். Okay, he, she, it or a singular noun, you have to add to the verb yes or es. Okay, if these subjects are there, you have to add to the verb yes or es. You have to add these. Okay, next point is we don't add anything to the verbs like I, you, we, they or the plural nouns. We should not add anything. So here we have adding to the verb yes or es, but when these words are there, that's when these subject are there, that is I, you, we, they, so you should not you should not add anything to the verb. You have to write the verb as it is. Okay, now we can see the example one. Okay, so here I have written this one, that is we should not add anything to the verb. So you look tired, so look is the verb, you should not add anything to the verb. You have to write as it is, like look. Okay, I brush daily, so brush is the verb, you should not add anything to the verb brush. You have to simply write only brush because here I is there. Okay, here you is there, then I. So you, I la vanda, we should not add anything. Okay, the next, Meena and Usha watch cartoons every day. Meena and Usha, so here there are two numbers, it's a plural one. Okay, so Meena and Usha, there are two numbers, so it's a plural one. For the plural also we should not add anything to the verb. Okay, we have to write only watch. Okay students, have you clear with this? So for the I, you, we, they and for the plural noun, you should not add anything to the verb. You have to write the verb as it is. So these are the examples. You look tired, so here you is the, have to write simply the verb alone. So I brush daily, here I is the, have to write the verb alone. Then Meena and Usha watch cartoons every day. Here Meena and Usha, there are two numbers, so it's a plural one, so you have to write the verb as it is. Okay, now we can see the example sentences for this. Okay, for the subject he, she, it, and for the singular noun you have to just add yes or es to the verb. For that we can see some examples. So here she looks tired. So here she is there. Okay, so if she is there means you have to write yes or es to the verb. So we have written the yes here. Okay, she looks tired. Okay, she looks tired. So she வந்திருக்கனால நம்ம verb ஓட என்ன சேர்க்கிறோம், yes சேர்க்கிறோம். The next one, Ravi brushes daily. Ravi brushes daily. So here Ravi is only one person. That's a singular one, and that's why we are using a brushes. So Ravi is a singular one. Ravi is only one person. For the singular noun you have to add to the verb yes or es. Okay, Ravi brushes daily. The next one, Ravi watches cartoons every day. Ravi watches cartoons every day. Here the was a singular noun, only one person. Ravi is only there, so I have to add es to the verb. Watches cartoons every day. So here there are both numbers, Meena and Musha, that there are two numbers, that is a plural one. So for the plural one we don't add anything, and for the singular one we have to add verb, we have to add yes or es to the verb. Okay, so this is the basic one. Have to remember these points. Okay, we add yes or es to the verb in the present tense when we use them with he, she, it or the singular noun. So he, she, it singular noun வந்தது அப்படின்னா verb ஓட நம்ம என்ன சேர்க்கணும், yes சேர்க்கணும் அல்லது es வந்து சேர்க்கணும். Next, we don't add anything to the verbs with I, you, we, they or plural noun. So இந்த மாதிரியான subjects வந்தது அப்படின்னா நம்ம verb ஓட எதுவுமே சேர்க்கக்கூடாது. You have to write the verb as it is. Okay, so these are some of the examples. This is for the we don't add anything. For this I have given some example, and for this I have written the examples. Okay, so have to remember this points. This is the basics one. So now see here, we usually use the present tense to talk about the things we do daily. So we use the present tense. So for the present tense we usually use the present tense to talk about the things we do daily. So for the things we do daily, things that happen every day. Okay, things that happen every day or things that are always true. So for this we will be using only a present tense. Okay, what are the things that we are using the present tense for? The things we do daily, things that happen every day or things that are always true. For this have to use only a present tense. Now for examples, I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. The next one, Ravi gets up at 6 in the morning. Ravi gets up 6 in the morning. So I have to put a yes because it is a Ravi is only one, a singular one. So for that we are putting a verb order. We are putting yes. Okay, Ravi gets up 6 in the morning. Next one, Ravi brushes his teeth. Ravi brushes his teeth. So it's a singular. For the singular, have to put the yes or es to the verb. Okay, Ravi is a singular, and here Ravi is a singular one. Then for I, so we no need to add anything. Okay, I get. Okay, I brush. So we no need to add anything. Okay, for the present tense, we usually use the present tense. For what are the things? The things we do daily, things that happen every day or things that are always true. For this we have to use only the present tense. Okay, students, have you clear with this? Okay, so you have to remember that for he, she, it and for the singular noun we have to add yes or es to the verb. Okay, this is the first point, and the second point is, so we don't add anything to the verb. Okay, we don't add anything to the verb for I, you, we, they or a plural noun. We no need to add anything. So these 2 points are important. Have to just keep it in your mind. For the singular, verb oda enna sekanum, yes alladhu es sekanum. edukla he, she, it, and for the singular noun have to add yes or es to the verb, and we no need to add anything to the I, you, we, they and plural noun. We no need to add anything. These 2 points have to keep it in the mind. Now we shall do the exercise. Now we shall see the exercise. See this picture and you have to answer that. Choose the correct verb to complete each sentences. Okay, here we have two verbs are there. Okay, you have to select the correct one. So I have said no. So for he, she, it and singular noun, you have to add s or es to the verb. And for the plural noun, I, we, you, they, we no need to add anything. So keeping this in mind, have to do the exercise. First one, Ravi loves chocolate. Here Ravi love or loves. Here Ravi, only one person is there. So upon verb have to put a verb to es. So the answer is loves. Okay. Next one, loves. So students, see this picture. Okay. The next B, Pooja dances or dance well. Dances, es or simply dance. So Pooja, here only one person is as that is a Pooja is a singular noun. So it's a, you have to put a dances. Okay. For the singular noun, you have to put the verb es. Okay, es or yes. So this is a B, C. Pranita sings sweetly. Pranita, only one person, so it's a sings. Okay. For the singular noun, we have to add s or es to the verb. Then next, the butterfly flutters beautifully. Flutters. Okay. The butterfly flutters beautifully. Butterfly, only one object only. Only one insect only. So it's the flutters. Okay. Then next, chameleons changes their color. Okay, here they are given as chameleons. Here a plural one, yes is there. So I have to put only we don't need to add anything to the plural noun. I have to just simply put the verb only. So it's a change. Chameleons change its color. Okay, we don't need to add anything. Okay, anything, because here the subject is a plural one. For the plural, we no need to add anything. Have to just write the verb alone. Okay, that is a change. Chameleons. Here it's a plural one. For the plural one, we no need to add anything to the verb. You have to write the verb as it is. Okay. The next, the sun gives heat and light. The sun only one. Only one, that is a singular noun. So it's a gives. Okay. Sun gives. Then we knows the answer to all the questions. So here the subject we is there. So for the we, you should not add anything to the verb. You have to write the verb alone. Okay. G. So no, we no need to add anything. Okay. So the 2 points are very important. Have to keep these in mind. If you keep these points, you can do the exercise. Okay. First one, loves. Second one, dances. Third one, sweetly. Fourth one, flutters. Fifth one, change. Sixth one, gives. And last one, no. Okay. Then now we shall see the one more exercise now. Okay. The second exercise is complete these sentences with the correct form of verb given in the bracket. So have to write the correct verb. Okay. In the fill in the blanks. Okay. She never dash up early. Okay. She never dash up early. The verb is wake. Okay. So here she is there. So you have to write. You have to write verb oda nama s checkano and the es vandu checkano. So already is there. We have to put only yes. Okay. Wakes. She wakes. Then my father dash delicious biryani. So the verb is cook. So my father, it's a singular one. So I have to write cooks. The next one, my brother and I dash pop music. The verb is like. Okay, so here both numbers are there. My brother and I. So it is a plural one, and also I is there. If I and plural noun is there, we no need to add anything to the verb. We have to write the verb as it is, that is like. இங்கே டூ நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஓகே, டூ நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்குது. அது இல்லாமல் ஐயும் இருக்கிறனால நம்ம வேர்பை மட்டும் அப்படியே எழுதிடும், லைக் அப்படியே எழுதிடும். த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் டி. A tailor dash clothes stitch. Tailor is only one person, singular one. So it is a stitches. Right, you have to write es to that. Okay, see the spelling and write it. My little sister dash whenever she is hungry, cry. So my sister, they are talking about only one. My sister, singular only. So it is a cries. So instead of y, you have to write I, E, S. Okay. So first A, wakes. Next, cooks. Like, stitches, cries. Okay, students, copy this in your notebook. I hope you understand today's, and you have to write these in your notebook. Thank you.